we'll see how much dust we get. I don't think we'll get a lot, but... Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is Atlas Reviews doing another review here of this Deerma vacuum cleaner. So what's this all about? So this is actually, like a dust cleaner actually, that cleans most of your sheets. Okay, so I know you do have a vacuum cleaner at home for most people, that cleans the floors, but this one is actually for, your linens, the curtains, things that you lay down or touch that you don't want, to mix the dirt from the vacuum. Of course, if you use the vacuum, on your floor and then use it on your bed, that's going to be disgusting, right? So this is the vacuum cleaner that cleans. We'll see how it goes. Okay, now let's unbox this with my trusty scissors. So I have my trusty scissors right here, and let's go in and open this baby. This is the Deerma Dust Mite vacuum cleaner, and we'll see what is inside. It's in a well-packaged box. Ooh, it comes protected well in a nice styrofoam casing, together with the instruction manual, and it is in Chinese. Yahoo! But anyway, I think it's easy to operate. Very simple. Well, it's packed well in a nice plastic cover, and here it is. Alright, so here's the baby. This is the Deerma Up Close and Personal, the Deerma, vacuum. So, it's got a Chinese description. It doesn't feel like cheap build. It's made of plastic, yes. You see, that's the mouth. It looks like a stingray, so it absorbs most of the dust. And there's rollos. Oh, by the way, there's also a UV light there. And this is the plug right here with a tag. It's all in Chinese, and simple operations, just press and then it will vacuum, right? So we'll try this baby, and let's try it on my bed over here, okay? And see what dirt we can collect. Okay, now it looks so clean, I know, this bed, but you'll be surprised, I think, or maybe shall we surprise ourselves? We'll find out in a bit. Stay tuned. Okay guys, we're here to review now the Deerma vacuum mite cleaner, okay? This we used for our linens, our bed sheets, to make it clean. Alright, so based on the last video, we're going to test it on our bed right here, okay, and see how much dirt we get, alright? So we videoed this earlier in the morning, and now it's almost the afternoon, okay, and we'll see how much dust we get with our nifty device, okay? So let's go ahead and get the device. So here it is right here, the device. I have here my assistant with me, who will kindly demonstrate for us the device. Okay, salary is 50 pesos per hour. There you go. Wait. Alright, there you go. It's so strong. See how much dust we get. I don't think we'll get a lot, but ooh, look at that. There's a lot of dust, my friends, as you can see here, that we've collected. Okay, ew, that's how much dust we have gotten from the Deerma vacuum. Oh, that's a lot. See, and those things like clog up your pores and stay on your skin, give you allergies, okay? And asthma too, alright? Wow, so I think this money really is worth it, okay? If you want to live a healthy lifestyle. But you still have to, of course, maintain a healthy diet.
Di pwede yung Deerma lang tapos kumakain ng limpo araw-araw in chicharon. Okay guys, so there you go. Yo, look at all that grime. Woohoo!
So I think it's really, you know, this device is quite essential because if you've been getting pimples, if you've been getting allergies, itches and rashes in your skin, and you know, despite doing everything, you can't find out what's wrong, how'd you get it. One factor has to be your linens because that's where you sleep most of the time, more than 8 hours, okay? And that could be the cause actually of your symptoms. So guys, if you think that, that's the cause which is most likely, I guess you should go ahead and buy this Deerma vacuum cleaner for linens, okay? Just a quick note, don't use it more than 3 minutes, okay? Because the machine has to rest, alright? It overheats quite fast. But I would say, with the amount of dust that this baby can get for 1,800 pesos, I think it's worth the money, right? Okay, so let's give this F a sign and go ahead and take it, alright? We'll just continue cleaning as my assistant here is very OC. She wants to clean more. There you go. Have the freedom. Till next time, guys, like and subscribe.